Hello class 2, welcome back to your English literature class children. So today we will do page number 104 of your book, and this is from chapter 9 of your book, that is the adventures of Pinocchio. Okay, these are all exercise. We have already explained the chapter and the question answer I have said I'll send you. And now today in this class we will do the grammar time, right? We'll do the grammar time. So open your book at page number 104. This is page number 104 of your book. Okay, so and this is grammar time. So we will do grammar time today. All these things we will discuss and do. So what you have to do is you listen to me properly and then you will do the exercise along with me and learn this properly. I'm going to give this in your exam also. In final exam you will get this, right? So what we'll do today, we will learn about the words that tells us more about the action words. Okay, we know action words. What are action words? Action words are verb. Suppose I cry. So cry is the action, so it is action word. We call it verb, right? I jump, jump. I sang, I dance. All these are what? Action. I'm walking, walk. I walk. That is what? That is action word. Now here in this class, we learn about the word that tells us more about the action word. Suppose if I say I walk slowly. I walk slowly. How I walk? Slowly. Here the word slowly tells us more about how I walk. Walk is the action. So the word slowly speaks more about the action, that is walk. How I walk? Slowly. I laugh. I laugh means I'm laughing. Laugh is the action. So laugh is verb. If I say I laugh loudly, how I laugh? Loudly. Here the word loudly tells something more about the verb, that is laugh. So such type of words are called adverbs. Adverbs add meaning to the verb. Here see in the box you will find. Read this part, you will understand what is the word called. A word that tells us more about verb is called adverb. A word that tells us more about verb is called adverb. See here two examples are given. Geppetto took the wood happily. Geppetto quickly carved the nose. Now Geppetto took the wood. Here which one is verb? Geppetto took. What is the action? Taking. So took. Took is the verb. How he took is the verb. Now how he took the wood? Geppetto took the wood happily. So here the word happily tells us more about the verb, that is took. Geppetto quickly curved the nose. Here which one is verb? Which one is action? Carved. What he was doing? Carving the nose. How he carved? Quickly. So quickly is adverb. Right. Adverb is a word that tells us more about the verb. Fine. Now here took and carved are action word. Happily and quickly are the word that tells us more about the action happened. It's given in the book. You can read along with me. How did Geppetto take the wood? Happily. How did Geppetto carve the wood? Quickly. So all these two words happily and quickly, they speak more about the action. Right. So these are called adverb. Clear? Can we move to the next part? Okay, fine. Let's see. Number 1. Underline the words that tells us more about the action word in the sentences. Here you'll get 5 sentences. Here what you have to do, you have to underline the words that tells you more about the action, that add meaning to the verb. Okay. Now see number 1. The artist paints beautifully. Here the artist paints beautifully. Which one is verb? Means action word. What the artist is doing? Painting. So the artist paints. So paints is what? Verb. Action word. Verb means what? Action word. So paint is verb. Now how he paints? Beautifully. So beautifully is the word that adds meaning to the verb. Beautifully speaks more about the verb, that is paint. So beautifully is adverb. You have to underline beautifully. You have to underline beautifully. Right. Next one. The singer sang loudly. Now the singer is the noun, sang is the verb. How he sings? Loudly. So loudly you have to underline because loudly tells us more about the action that is sang. Next one, third one. The librarian quietly arranged the book. What the librarian did? He arranged the book. Arrange is the verb. How he arranged the book? Quietly. So quietly is the adverb. Right? You have to underline quietly. Number D. The tired man walked slowly down the road. The tired man walked. Walked is the action. He was walking. He walked. How he walked? Slowly. So slowly is the word that tells us more about the action. And what is the action? Walk. How he walked? Slowly. So you will underline slowly. Next, number E. The gardener planted the seeds carefully. The gardener, what he did? Planted. So planted is the action. How he planted? Carefully. So carefully is the adverb. So this way you have to do this. See? Number 1, beautifully. Number 2, loudly. Number 3, quietly. Number 3, quietly. Number D, slowly. And number E is carefully. Done? So this was they speak what? They speak more about the action, and these words are called adverbs. Done. Now we will do the next one, number 2. Number 2, fill in the blanks with the words from the help box. In the help box you will find 5 words and 5 sentences are given. Correctly, quickly, politely, sweetly and suddenly. Okay. Now what we'll do? We have to match it. A quail. Quail is a bird. A quail sings how? Sweetly. 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 Number 1. Number 1 is sweetly. A quail sings sweetly. Page number 104. This one. From this help box, this is number 1. Sweetly. A quail sings sweetly. 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 Number B. Number B is I got a start when the door banged. Suddenly the door banged. So I got a start when the door banged. Suddenly. 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 Suddenly is number 2. When the door banged, suddenly I got a start. Then number C. Number C is we speak to each other. C will be how do we speak? Quickly or correctly? Politely. 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 Number C. Politely. We speak politely to each other. Done? Then number D. The mouse scampered dash to its burrow. Means quickly. 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 The mouse scampered quickly to its burrow. Done? Then number 5. I did all my sums dash. I did all my sums correctly. 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 I did all my sums correctly. This way we have completed this. Do it and get it corrected. Okay, because all these things you will find in your exam. Right? and then I'll send the question answers also, means the RTCs and read, write and reflect, that one also to you soon. Okay, thank you.